Click on the link below to get price. The Dell 34 Plus USB-C curved monitor, S3425DW, is a compelling option for those who seek an immersive viewing experience combined with functional features suited for both work and play. With its expansive 34-inch display and a resolution of 3440 by 1440, the monitor delivers stunning clarity and vibrant colors, making it an excellent choice for creatives and professionals alike. One of the standout features of this monitor is its 1800R curvature, which enhances your field of view, allowing for a more engaging viewing experience. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or gaming, the curvature helps reduce eye strain by providing a more natural viewing angle. The IPS technology ensures that colors remain consistent and accurate even from wide viewing angles, which is particularly beneficial for graphic design and video editing tasks. The USB-C connectivity is another major highlight of the S3425DW. With a single cable, you can connect to your laptop or device, allowing for data transfer, video output, and charging, all at once. This feature simplifies your workspace, reducing cable clutter and making it easier to switch between devices. Additionally, the inclusion of HDMI and DisplayPort inputs provides versatile options for connecting different devices. The monitor's built-in features, such as the flicker-free screen and Comfort View technology, are designed to minimize eye strain during extended use. The customizable settings allow you to adjust brightness, contrast, and color temperature to suit your preferences, further enhancing your viewing comfort. In terms of design, the slim bezels contribute to a modern aesthetic, making it a stylish addition to any desk setup. The adjustable stand offers height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, ensuring that you can find the perfect viewing angle. Overall, the Dell 34 Plus USB-C curved monitor is a standout product that combines impressive performance with thoughtful features, making it ideal for anyone looking to elevate their productivity and entertainment experience.